Well, hopefully you can see that. I still got to do a little bit of work, a little bit of truing on the wheel. Like I trued it enough that I can ride it, but the spokes have to settle and everything else before I can touch it up. So it's got a little bit of a shake. But other than that, it does sound different now. It used to have that really weird whining sound when you would rev up on it. It's pretty quiet now. It's actually what it was like when it was new. So I'll give it a quick test and let you hear it.